Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to install Django on your Android phone. Before doing that, first see what is Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that enables rapid development of secure and maintainable websites. So, let's install Django on Android phone. Step 1. Install Termux. First we need something like a Linux terminal for Android. Lucky for us, there is a terminal emulator on Google Play Store called Termux, so head to Play Store and install it. After installing Termux, open it and run apt-update command. So, we got an error. To resolve this error, run termux change repo command. Select all the 3 repositories, press OK, and select the second mirror and press OK. This will fix the error. Step 2. Install Python. Now let's install Python. To install Python, run this command. apt install python. It will take some time to install. We have installed Python successfully. Step 3. Install Django. Pip install Django. This command will install Django in few seconds. Step 4. Set up and run Django. Okay, so Django is installed in our system. Let's create a Django project. Run django-admin start project mysite. It will create a folder. Open that folder and run Python manage.py runserver. It will start a server. Open this link in your browser. Congratulations, we have installed Django successfully. Press Ctrl+C to stop the server. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to get notified to our new videos. Thank you for watching.